You might have a device like this installed onto your exterior garden spigots, but do you know what this device is? And did you also know that when it fails, it's sometimes a DIY-friendly job to replace it? Hi, I'm Peter, licensed master plumber with 27 Plumbing. This device is what we call a vacuum breaker. It's actually a very important device, and in many locations it's required by code to be installed. Imagine this device is not in the system, and you install your garden hose directly to your spigot. Now say you're watering your garden with something such as a Miracle-Gro attachment on that hose. Well, those chemicals from that Miracle-Gro attachment potentially could end up within the water in that garden hose. If you have a break on your plumbing system while you're doing this job, well, without this device in place here, that chemical water can actually siphon back into your drinking supply, which is definitely not a good thing. You do not want to be drinking those chemicals. So this device that we call a vacuum breaker actually stops that vacuum. So what happens is there's quite a few little holes all along the rim here on this product. And in a situation such as the one I just described, those holes actually allow airflow to enter in where the spigot is and break that vacuum, preventing that chemical water from ending up in your drinking supply. Good thing, right? Now over time, this device will fail. When that happens, you may get water shooting out of these holes. Even under normal conditions, you may end up with an unwanted shower when you turn your water on and off of the spigot. It can be a real nuisance. Now the way this works is this vacuum breaker, it just threads onto the garden spigot, just like that. And then we got male threads here that your hose threads onto. Now there is a screw here that you'll see on the side. The idea behind this set screw is that you run it in until the little narrow taper breaks at the head. This then makes this a permanent connection. Permanent connection is a good idea from a safety standpoint. We want to make sure these are installed, but it can be a nuisance if you go to swap it. For that reason, not all installers install this set screw. If you do not see a screw, you may very well be able to just take this vacuum breaker and unthread it by hand, maybe with a pair of pliers if it's been on there for quite a few years. Take it up to your hardware store, swap it out with a new one, ask them where you can find it. They're about $10, $15 to purchase it. Bring it home, thread it back on, and either run that set screw in or make your decision on that one. Now if the set screw has been run in, it's going to be a little bit trickier. This is where you may decide whether this is really a task that you want to take on or if you would rather just hire it out and not deal with it. There's a couple of ways that you can potentially get the screw out of there, get this piece off without damaging your spigot. You want to be very careful though. Option one, many people have a drill at home. If you get the right size drill bit, you can actually drill the screw out, being very careful not to drill into the threads of the garden hose. At that point, unthread this just like normal and go and get your new product. Another option you can do if you have a vibratory saw, or what some people call an oscillating tool or a multi-tool, you can actually cut a couple of slits here on either side of the bolt. One straight down, another straight down. You can then either peel this system off or attempt to go ahead and unthread. Now that you've got this system where it's cut down, you may be able to, it may be loosened just enough to be able to rotate it off. Again, you want to be very careful not to notch, not to cut, not to drill into your spigot. If you do, odds are when you go to screw the hose onto it, it's not going to seal properly, and then you end up having to replace the entire spigot, which becomes a much larger job. So hopefully, if you have to replace this, it's just going to be a matter of unscrewing and grabbing the new product. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching the video. For all of those who have allowed me to assist you with your plumbing system, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for your business. Thank you for your referrals. It allows me to take care of my family doing what I love doing, so I really, truly appreciate each and every one of you. You all have a wonderful day.